in Salt Lake City at the Judge Building. Got some vintage Otis elevators in here. Check this out. Really neat old lobby. Old Epco buttons. Look at that old speaker too. Little camera on it. MJ, Michael Jackson. It came to one, but it's not opening. Weird. All right then. Old Otis. This is definitely relay logic. Ooh. Down to B. Wow. These are cool. What's it look like out here? Oh, look at that lantern. That is cool. Look how they have to make the drop ceiling go up to fit it. Oh dear, we lost it. It's probably just parking. In the meantime, I guess I'll pause the video. Well, the bell didn't ring anyway, so I came out here for nothing. Womp womp. All right, let's take it on the ride. Up to 7. Whoa. Oh yeah, these just park on 1. I think it's a security check. Yeah, these just stop on 1 every time. Whoa. Ooh, it did a little pre-door. All right, this is definitely gonna park, but I'm just gonna look at, oh, what the? Oh, it's not like a half version. They literally just got rid of the top part. Oh, these are really neat. These are cool. All right, back down to 1. Take another bite on this. Look at this panel. Didn't pre-door as much that time. 7. There's a look around the cab. Definitely the old cab too. I have a feeling these fixtures are actually an old mod. These were probably like black button or maybe even Otis Touch. Could have even been pop out, who knows? Oh yes. Down to 1. Yeah, these are pretty fun. These are most likely gearless. Whoa. Yeah, they're gearless. Anyway, Otis phone. Is there a way to see up? I really do think these are gearless. Are they 2-to-1? Should we take another ride? Why the hell not? These are fun. Kind of see the floors going by. Amazing. All right, back down. These have to be gearless. They have to be. The way they run, because they're like 350 probably, but yeah, they're too forceful to be geared, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know, they just don't run like a geared elevator. Man, these are really cool though. These are awesome. Anyway, that's it.